Don't shoot him in the nuts. No.
Oh,
Okay, Chris is explaining the rules here. What are we playing?
We are playing Capture the Sasquatch. All right.
He's got
on
the
the
big
field,
feet.
there is the Sasquatch. We don't know where he is right now.
Well, he's here, but he's going to be
try
out.
to find him.
And he doesn't want to be captured.
He doesn't want to be captured. He's Sasquatch, guys. He's the most elusive creature known to man.
Right.
So, we have the Canadians and the Mexicans.
Yeah!
And for some reason, they both went into the wilderness of Washington to find Sasquatch. Sasquatch does not want to be captured. And we don't want to kill Sasquatch.
No, don't kill him.
But it doesn't mean we can't shoot Sasquatch.
This is pistols only, right?
Pistols only. All right.
So like, can't you paralyze the Sasquatch to get him?
See, here's what we're doing. If you shoot the Sasquatch, you've changed out your round and you're shooting him with a tranquilizer. Tranquilizer. Something with the
Trank gun.
Quill.
Yeah.
Sasquatch gets a little woozy, goes down for a few seconds. And then he can go again and start frolicking in the woods until he's shot again.
Let's see you frolic.
Shoot the Sasquatch. Boom, frolic. He's frolicking, he's running away, he doesn't want to get captured. I shoot him, tranked. I come over, I say, Sasquatch, we're good friends.
Okay.
And now Sasquatch is going to follow me around because I have a candy bar. Come on, Sasquatch.
What kind of
He wants the candy.
Okay. So basically what?
There's a Three Musketeers.
And then
It's basically an escort mission if you capture the Sasquatch.
so where do they have to get him
You
to
have to
then?
get him to the opposite team's base.
Okay, so one team's gonna start here. What the hell you got? And then the other one's gonna start on the other side.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep, that's the deal.
How a time limit?
Time limit, 25 minutes.
Yeah, that'll work. Okay.
Any questions, comments, concerns?
What about respawns for these guys?
No respawns. We don't have enough ammo.
No respawns.
One respawn.
No respawn.
One respawn.
One respawn.
You have one respawn, but
Yes.
you have to use the Sasquatch's magical blood to bring you back to life.
Yeah, it better be bleeding too when I
So
see
someone
him.
will have to touch the Sasquatch and then touch you to bring you back in the game.
Okay. So stay close. Okay. Guys ready?
Nito, mosquito, everyone got it?
Wait.
Magical blood.
That's what I should name this video.
A teammate has to touch the Sasquatch and then wipe that onto the dead player.
Okay.
So you gotta guys stay
Dead
close.
player stay put, or can he follow Sasquatch
Dead
around?
player is down.
Okay, dead
He
player.
needs-
Okay.
he needs
All right, guys.
One person to act as somewhat medic in between
Are we
the
doing
two.
semi-only, or is there full auto with the pistols?
Semi-auto only.
Poop.
I mean, if you
Semi.
want to do full auto, I mean, you're just going to be going through a lot of babies.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna get this game on, guys. Okay, those guys are forming a strategy. Ready? Okay, here we go. All right. 3, 2, 1. Go! Sasquatch doesn't want to be captured. Here they come. Oh, look at he's running. No! They got him. Wait, where'd he go? You guys have to get him where? Aren't you going the wrong way? Where do you have to go?
To their base over there.
Let's say the trank wears off and Sasquatch can just bolt. You gotta get him. Okay. Where are they going with him? They're gonna get up there. They're gonna. Okay. Hey Sasquatch, I think the trank wore off. You can run away. The tranquilizer wore off. You can run away. He's running. He's getting away. Well, you gotta stay in bounds. The tranquilizer wore off. He's making his escape.
Knifing him, Andy.
Oh, he's got a candy bar. Baby Ruth. Milky Way. He knows about Butterfinger. That's it. Okay.
He starts running. Trank him.
He's getting away again. There he goes. There he goes. This is hilarious. Yeah. I think, yeah, the tranquilizer wears off after 10 seconds. What's he doing up there? No, you got to give him a candy bar.
Candy? But I already tagged him. He's already following me.
Okay. And after so many seconds, whoa. There he's running off again. They have no idea. He ran away. Gotta tranquilize him. It's full of tranquilizer darts.
He just ran away.
Hey! The Sasquatch ran away! What are they doing over there? Yeah, there you go. Let me cut out here just a second. Keep the gun to the Sasquatch head, yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's, you gotta get him up there.
You guys in? Yeah.
Gotta keep an eye on him. So you, what? Oh, I just got it.
We're pushing for Sasquatch.
Here they come. There he goes. Yeah, they tranquilized him. Okay.
Run, Sasquatch, run.
Magical blood. Oops, gotta keep this camera steady. There we go. We tagged him back in with the magical blood. And there you go. Here comes some guys trying to get him back. Whoa. Oh, he ran away again.
Go grab him.
He tranked him. Okay. Canadians. Okay, they just have to get him up there into the base. I think, yeah. Okay, they're almost there. Is that a Springer? Yeah. Oh, he's running away. Ah.
No one will steal my pistol.
Somebody got to come up here and get him. Got to get him in that base. Get inside the base. You got to get him in this one, right? Try it. Whoa, wait, no, run away, run away. Ah, they got him in.
Yes!
Yeah, I got it. Powerful.
Oh, wait, there's confusion there.
Hey, wasn't
No, we're not.
Never mind.
Just set the mag over here and we'll get it.
Alright.
So then you can run away. You're not tranquilized anymore. Goggles are upside down. Your goggles are upside down, dude. They look weird.
Okay, put these on for Sasquatch.
He runs, I call the shot.
There you go. Okay. So they got to get him. You got to get him in down there by the old carport. Sorry, man, there's some confusion there on the rules.
I thought this was the spawning base.
That's what I thought too. No, it's down there. What?
I'm out for the game.
Okay, just wait here. Yeah. So you can run away.
I need some Sasquatch.
Wait, so it's not over yet, is it?
No, they got to get him in down there.
Oh, okay.
Look at him go!
I got 3 BBs right in the ass.
He's way back down there. He ran away. Got to go bring him back up. All right, guys, you got about 10 minutes to get him up there. Hey, Sasquatch, remember after like so many seconds you can run away.
No, Dandy.
See where they're at up there? That's where you got to get them. Oh, there they go. Oh, nice one. Lost him. Where'd they go? There. I'm going to bring him up. All right, almost there.
Shoot him again, just in case.
Where is he going? Oh, camera's all. I'm on unsteady ground. Oh, can they get him in? Where'd he go?
Not the carport? They said they started the carport. This is where we're
Oh wait, no, I think it was the path right there. Is they?
Okay, stop changing your base.
Come on, Sasquatch.
Okay, they almost got him.
Hey, Mac 11 on the far side of the road. I'm Mac 11. You're having too many legs. I'm gonna kill you!
Hey, Sasquatch, could run away.
Hey, you guys are teammates!
Oh, did they get him in there?
Yeah, how many respawns did you take?
Well, we got it.
One to the base and the rest take.
Did they get him in?
How many times did you change your base?
Oh no, he's running.
Yeah, it was here though. I saw people respawn inside that base.
Yeah, there were.
You said it was the carport.
I got shot once over there and I
Okay.
came back here.
Ready? You got to get him here.
Watched them walk inside the
honestly
door, walk
don't
back
care
out.
at all.
Keep your nuts, don't run.
I'm too tired.
Yeah. Ha. Fun game.
Look at me, I'm John.
Whoa,
Somebody found it.
scared me.
No one wins this Sasquatch.
Awesome.
Somebody found one.
Cool.
I don't know. Gas power. Like a Glock net.
Oh, wait. Is that a
Hey, who has
Raptor?
the Glock 27?
Somebody dropped a mag. Is that yours?
Somebody found it and gave it to me.
Okay.
Shooting.
Ah,
Bonnie?
cool.
fell out.
Everyone cleared?
Yeah.
All right, blind man.
Oh,
Cool.
Yeah, somebody else
This game is over.